In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80245006 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, go to System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot and click on Other Troubleshooters. Here, simply locate Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations on fixing the issue. And after doing or running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. The next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes for the user account control. And we are going to reset the Windows Update components. So simply run each command one by one. This will be posted in the description box below. Control C to copy and then Control V. Then copy the second command, the third command until you can get into the NetStart MSI server to reset the Windows Update components. After doing so, type exit in the command prompt window, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching the video.